Hey guys, Troy Casey, certified health nut, here with my friend Vivian, and she has some amazing artisan skincare. As you guys know and always ask me, what organic skincare do you recommend? And Vivian is an artisan and a curator of this amazing product, and she's going to tell you all about it right now.
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Vivian Grace. It's an honor to introduce my brand and my product. My brand is Divine Embodiment. My flagship product is SelfHonor. It's a glorious, luxurious body oil made out of golden organic jojoba that was grown in a small little sweet family farm in western Arizona. And this family actually goes into the trouble of picking out the seeds that don't quite meet their standards. And they take a lot of pride in what they do, and you can feel it when you put the oil on. It's a vibration, and your skin, my skin responds in just the best way, and I've gotten so much great feedback.
Me too.
Yes.
I emptied one of these bottles already. I bought it from her a couple months ago, and it's gone. And I'm here to get 2 more bottles for me and my daughter. Go ahead. And there's little flowers in here.
Yeah, dried rose buds and jasmine buds as well. For SelfHonor is an invitation to drop into your body and to honor yourself and to ground down and protect your skin, your boundary to the rest of the world. So it's been so supportive for me and many others in our self-care practice. And I come from a background of dissociation, or in order to cope with my childhood growing up, and being in my body and grounding and taking care of my body. That's my practice, and I feel that's why this product came through me. So that's the invitation, as well as this product is a Sedona based. I pour it in Sedona. I live in Sedona, and I feel that Sedona, she gave it to me in a way, or it came through me, but
local Arizona farm sourcing as well.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about the quality of the ingredients that you chose and why?
Yeah, of course. So there's the jojoba oil, which is the best jojoba oil I've ever tried or used from Arizona. So it's high quality desert plant medicine, really. The Native Americans have used jojoba for God knows how long. They used to grind it in a mortar and pestle and then put the paste on their skin. And what's beautiful about that is that the nature provides us with the medicine that we need in the area that it grows. So like, for instance, in the desert, our skin can be so dry just all the time. And then of course, jojoba is there to offer us a panacea for our ailments. And it's just so beautiful how nature unconditionally loves us and provides for us.
In harsh environments, I know this because I worked in the Amazon with rainforest plants, harsh environments, intense environments like the jungle, like the desert, create the strongest plants on the planet. Mojave chaparral comes from the desert. There's plenty of other cactus plants. Aloe vera is the #1 revered Native American plant, internally or externally. And so I wasn't even aware that jojoba shrub, I found out it was a shrub today, is grown actually in the desert. And so where can people find out more information about you, Vivian? She's such a beautiful soul, and her boyfriend, Nate, and your high quality product here. Where can they find it?
Yes, my website is divineembodimentoils.com. You can order right on there. Please follow me on Instagram at Divine Embodiment. I would love.
She's at the juicery. Do they sell this at the juicery as well?
Yes, they do. A lot of it.
Water store, juicery. Again, this is a high quality artisan product, not as commercially available on the market as you'd like. So when she makes it, get them, because then they will be sold out until she makes another batch, right? The batch has to grow, and then she has to get the flowers and collect it and put all her love and attention. These are glass bottles. So super high quality, very beautiful packaging, great for gifts, and of course the gift for yourself for that self-love practice. Any parting words, Vivian?
Yes, I just wanted to add that there's also 6 different essential oils, the main one being frankincense, which frankincense is very close to my heart, and to me it represents Christ consciousness, but it's really something that's better felt. And that's this whole product, is an invitation to feel your body and what's residing there. So thank you so much for hearing me. And
Vetiver?
Oh, yes. So frankincense, vetiver, neroli or orange blossom, orange, lime, and cedarwood. Those are all the essential oils. And all of those oils have amazing benefits for the skin. That's really the main intention, is for this to nourish your skin and your scalp and your face and your hair and wherever you want to put it. But yeah.
And my research shows that chicks dig flowers, so this is good for guys too, right?
That's right. Oh yeah, it's not a super strong floral scent, but it's balanced. There's floral, it's woodsy and grounded also with the vetiver. It's well-rounded.
It's perfect. It's not overwhelming at all, but it's so nourishing to the olfactory senses. Highly recommend it. Certified Health Nut approved. God bless you guys from the Holy Land.
God bless. Thank you.